Hey, and welcome back to our channel where we share insider tips on how to skyrocket your trades business using the power of digital marketing. Today, we're going to be looking at 5 ways you can use ChatGPT to grow and market your construction business. If you haven't used ChatGPT yet, then allow me to fill in the blanks. ChatGPT is a conversational AI program that allows users to input commands and receive answers and outputs quickly. It's changing the way we interact with the internet and can also be used to complete very specific tasks that can streamline processes for construction business owners when it comes to digital marketing. In this video, I will show you 5 ways you can use it to your advantage. So let's get started. Number 5, writing social media posts. First of all, if you want new social media posts, you can just type into ChatGPT, write me a social media post. Now, if you do this, you'll find they'll be kind of generic and a little bit soulless.
I'll be back.
It will also not know the context, so it will not write them from the perspective of a construction business. It's important to note ChatGPT will create better content based on the quality of the prompts that you're putting in. So always try and be as descriptive as possible to get the best quality content back. So do this instead. Try prompts like, write me a social media post for my construction business that is persuasive and conversational. Or write me a social media post for my construction business profile that highlights the success of a recent project. Or even write me a social media post that tells followers that we're currently hiring. This gives ChatGPT more to work with and you'll get a better answer. But what if you don't really know what kind of social media posts you want ChatGPT to help you write? Well, guess who you can ask. Number 4, creating a social media calendar. In the same way ChatGPT can help you write the posts, it can also help with relevant suggestions on what you should ask it to write in the first place. If you want to create new ideas for social media posts, then try this. Type in, write me 10 social media post ideas for my construction business. Now watch ChatGPT write you 10 post ideas in seconds. You can also use prompts like, build me a social media calendar for my construction business. This will then tell you what posts to write and also structure out what days to post them. This is incredibly powerful and can save you a lot of time. Number 3, creating blog post topic ideas. The same process can be applied to blog posts too. So if you're struggling for blog post topic ideas, simply input, write me 10 blog post topics for my construction business, or plumbing business, or whichever industry you're in. It will then create blog post topics for you. A good way to see if these topics have a high search volume is to copy one of them, search it on Google, and then take the top post and drop it into a tool called Suggest. This will then show you how many clicks a month that blog post is getting, and will also show you the data about the keywords that blog is ranking at the top of Google for. Now open the blog post, have a read through it, and write an article for your website that goes into more detail and helps the user more than the one you're referencing. If you're successful, you will now outrank that blog on Google and get tons of free traffic. Number 2, creating headlines and irresistible offers for your business. If you want to create catchy headlines, then type into ChatGPT, create me 10 engaging headline ideas for my construction business. This will give you some great ideas for headlines that are persuasive, attention grabbing, and memorable. You can use this in any of your ad copy, emails, or social media posts. In terms of creating irresistible offers for your business, try typing into ChatGPT, write me 10 irresistible offers for my construction business, and it will produce offers that can help generate leads and sales. It's that simple. Number 1, writing sales landing pages. Writing sales landing pages can be a time-consuming process, but using ChatGPT, it is super simple. Just type, write me a sales landing page for my construction business, and it will produce copy in minutes that you can easily edit and customize for your business. It's worth noting that when it comes to long-form content like sales landing pages, a degree of editing will be required. In this instance, ChatGPT can give you a fantastic framework, but will rarely spit out a hole-in-one. Meaning that ideally you should ensure that the ChatGPT output can be looked over by someone within your business who has a good understanding of what your landing page is trying to achieve, any brand voice that you'd like to incorporate into your copy, and also to ensure that the spellings used are correct for your region, such as British English or American English. Now that's not to say that what you get will require a complete overhaul, just remember that AI does have its limits and there's still nothing quite like the human touch. And there you have it. These are the 5 ways you can use ChatGPT to grow and market your construction business and save yourself time in the process. Try it today and see how it can revolutionize your content creation processes. I hope you found this useful, and as always, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, feel free to drop a comment below and let us know how you've been using ChatGPT in your business. See you on the next one.